You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say this word, this long word, and more confusing long vocabulary from medical terms and others, some of the longest words in English. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. But to this one, ventriculoperitoneal. Ventriculoperitoneal. Yeah, it's easy, right? Ventriculoperitoneal. And now you know. Don't ask me what it means. I know, but yeah, I'll tell you some other day. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Some interesting words here. Cheers. Stay tuned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.